Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture of Grimace and Venom. They're going to be merged together. It's going to be super easy. Let's do it together. Right before that though, don't forget, give me a name for this character in the comments section. I'm going to pin the best one. Let's jump right into the lesson. Hey, how's it going? Let's get into the Grimace and Venom crossover here. So let's get that started. So let's do it. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with kind of the top of the head, and it's going to be kind of very Grimace-y in its structure. Top of the head, down one side. All right, going to go over here and go down the other side, right there. All right. So far, so good. And actually, we're going to keep it going all the way over here. And the reason you want to do that is because Grimace has like kind of a triangular style body, and that's kind of what we're going to give him. This is a big Christmas tree up over here. Curve over here across, and line over here. Okay, so far, so good. Going to draw a straight line down over here. Also, Grimace's body type, that's kind of, again, I'm going to talk as, you know, kind of what we're going through. Line down here, line down here, and then his feet over here on this side. Up over here. This is kind of like a rounded curve. Grimace in general is just kind of like a rounded character. By the way, hit the like button if you like these types of videos. Hitting a like definitely makes a huge difference, and I'm very happy that you're here and watching this right now. You are amazing, okay? All right, go around here. Curve on the other side. Sweet. Okay, so we got pretty simplistic view so far. Next, line out. Line out for the hands. Line out over here, line out over here. Over here in this area, curve right here for the thumb, curve right here for the thumb. And then we're going to draw little bumps here at the end, maybe 3 other bumps, because that's going to be the rest of his hand. Going to do the exact same thing on this side, by the way. Right on. Really good stuff right here. Sweet. And over here in the eyes. So this is so far 100% Grimace so far, right? Now we're going to get into the Venom part of him, which is, you know, the whole point of this. So we're going to go over here, and in the eye area, we're going to go up, kind of like an S curve, curve back, curve up a little bit more, like there. Over here on this side, S curve down, curve up a little bit more. All right. And I'm going to throw a U shape underneath, connecting them. Same thing over here. A U shape connecting them on that side. That U shape is going to, I don't know, it's just like a very simplistic way to follow it. That's the simplest way I've seen, you know, I've felt it explained, at least for me. Over here now, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Over here for kind of the teeth, for the topper of the part of the mouth. We're going to pull in over here. Down, 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 down. Something I want to remind you of right here. See, we're like separating them out. I want to remind you to go check out the links in the description. There's a lot of cool stuff. There's a completely free how to draw cute ebook. So like if you always want to learn how to draw chibi, cute, anything like that, that ebook was about $30. It was $30. I used to charge it. It had basically the basics of drawing anything cute, like proportions, like larger head, smaller body, and basically what you do 90% of the time when you draw something cute and how to do it. It's 20 pages, all visual stuff. Like there's 1 page of reading, the rest of it is all charts. So the good thing about charts is basically you remember it for life, in my opinion. You just remember it and you can always have it there. It's easy to print, 100% amazing. It's now free. So that link is in the description. Don't miss out on that. That ebook is there, completely free now. It's called Cute Starter, I believe. So go take a look at that in the link. And then the other stuff there would be, you know, long form lessons and, cool playlists on the channel. But don't miss that stuff because people don't take advantage of that normally. So, because I don't know how long that's going to be free. Zigzag here, lower portion of the mouth, like so. Curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath, curve underneath, curve, curve, curve. Down, down. And we're going to fill this out. It's going to completely fill this in, right? The dark of the mouth, which is, like I said, it's cool. It's really important to do this because you want to kind of get across to your viewer that part of it very quickly, right? Because the viewer, when you think about when you draw anything, right? People look at it for what? A second? Oh, cool. And then they move on. And it's something that you took like, we took however long on it. But that's just kind of the way it is. All right. So let's go over here now into the chest area. And we're going to do that symbol. Up, down, cross, up, down over here. Curve around here, curve around here. And then we're going to go over here. Up, down, out. Over here. Up, down, out. Okay? That's one set of legs. We're going to do it again. Just follow it right there. And I would do one at a time. Again, you just want to be approximately right. You want the impression of this. You don't want anything like... too wild or anything like that. I'm sorry, I mean, like, you're not a machine, don't worry about it. You don't need to go exact, right? We just want approximations. So, like, if one line's a little off, as you can tell in mine, like, oh, this is a little bit longer over here, it's not a big deal. It's just not. Curve over here, down, up, and curve over here right there for kind of the bottom of that spider. All right, and that's it. That's Grimace. And you can fill this in as well. I would actually recommend doing it with like a crayon or even a colored pencil. Because if I do this all with a dark, like this dark, it's going to be too dark, honestly. You could do that, but I wouldn't. Honestly, I would just grab like a dark crayon or something like that. Fill it in. Really just filling in the dark parts. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Share the video. But the other thing I want you to do, other than sharing the video, is I want you to stick around and do another video with me, okay? So stick around right now. Let's do another one together, okay? Let's, 1 second. All right, let's do it, okay? Let's do another one together. Are you sticking around? Let's do it. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.